Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about why is crypto down today. Let's start the video. It is another bad day for the crypto market. The market is still jumpy after the mass sale of triggered by the instability of stable Terra USDT. The stablecoin imploded earlier this week after it failed hold it one-to-one peg with the US dollar. USD is currently trading at less than $0.45. Terra Protocol's Luna token, which was created by the project to help hold Terra USD value, is also is tatters. Luna, which flew to trading at $119.18 in early April, is now trading for a fraction of penny, having also lost more than 99% of its value in the last 24 hours. The losses are stark with Luna trading at $0.01. Bitcoin fell radically during Asian trading hours earlier today to 24-hour low of $25,402. This also notched a 52-week low and matched December 2020 levels before BTC rebounded above the $29,000 line. Despite Bitcoin medi bounce, the original crypto is still down more than 5% the last 24 hours. Bitcoin prices are now down nearly 39% year to date and are trading well off their all-time high around $69,000 in November 2021. Ethereum is still hovering below the psychological level of $2,000, down more than 13% in the last 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more crypto related videos.